Hi, I'm Gary Truesdale with FenceClip. FenceClip gear is intended to be easily repairable forever. This is the positioning arm. The most common issue we've had on the positioning arm is the paddle nut stripping. It just spins like this one and it doesn't tighten up. When you see this, it's most likely the paddle knob. The early knobs were aluminum. The current knobs have a steel insert. They're way better. I'll include the link below for the paddle nut. You can see the difference. Old nut comes off, new nut goes on. Don't take the bearing off like I'm doing. Just put the knob on and be done. There's a small bearing and 2 steel races. It fits together in a tight little package. You need all of these parts for the positioning arm to work. If you don't have them, I'll leave a link below. I just picked this up and held it. It's best to set it on a bench and work on it there. It's all easier on a surface. Alright, the new knob goes on. We oiled it before we shipped it. Crank it down. The positioning arm locks up like brand new. That's rock solid. We provide components that allow our customers to repair and modify FenceClip products. And please subscribe to the FenceClip YouTube channel for additional guidance and prizes. Links below.